If we look at it carefully, the left-hand side has the base 4 all over 5, and the right-hand side has the base 125 all over 64. If I look at 125, I can see 5 to the power 3. If I look at 64, I can see 4 to the power 3. So I'm going to express this in terms of 4 and 5, just like we have on the left-hand side. So here I'll write 5 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3. So we have 4 all over 5 to the power m is equal to 5 to the power 3 all over 4 to the power 3, all of that raised to the power 1 minus 2m. The power here is 3, the power here is 3. So we can just write the power ones. So I have 5 all over 4, all raised to the power 3. But everything was raised to the power 1 minus 2m. So this is going to give me 5 all over 4 to the power 3 multiplied to 1 is 3. 3 multiplied to negative 2m is negative 6m. All right. So this is what we get. The base here is 4 all over 5. The base here is 5 all over 4. How can we bring 4 all over 5 here? We know that 5 all over 4 can be written as 1 all over 4 all over. And from the laws of indices, when there's 1 on top, 1 all over a to the n, it simply becomes a to the negative n. When there is 1 at the numerator, then the power now becomes negative. Remember, the power here is 1. There's 1 at the numerator, so it now becomes 4 all over 5, all raised to the power negative 1. We can write this thing here, this base here, as 4 all over 5 to the power negative 1. So it becomes 4 all over 5 to the power negative 1, but everything raised to the power 3 minus 6m. So I have 4 all over 5 to the power m is equal to this. All right. Power of power again. So this power here must multiply out that power there. So we're going to have 4 all over 5 power. Now, this index expression equals this index expression. The base are equal, so we have the right to equate the powers. So from here, we can say this power here must equal the power there, negative 3 plus 6m. We take this negative 3 this way and take that m that way. It will now become positive 3 is equal to 6m minus m. So we have positive 3 is equal to 5m. All right, to get m, we simply divide both sides by 5. So the value of m is 3 all over 5.